Let's come back to searching within leaked databases. When I have someone's email address, I always like to go to a website like Have I Been Pwned and then add the email and see whether this email address is found within a leaked or breached database. Because if an email address was found in a data breach, then I can go and download this data leak or data breach and then search for this person's email address. And sometimes you will be able to find some additional information. For example, you might be able to find their date of birth, their full name, their phone number, or any additional information. And if you were able to find someone's phone number within a data leak or a data breach, then you can apply the OSINT methods that you are going to learn in the next section to gather more information about the target. So the first step is always to identify the data breaches or data leaks that are associated with an email address. And then you want to go and download the data breach or data leak or use a service like IntelliX or Dehashed. And once you download the leaked or breached database, then you want to go and search for this person's email within the database and see whether there are any additional information that might help you to gather more information about the target. So let's go to Have I Been Pwned and copy Rishi Kabra email address and then put it in here and then click on Pwned and see the data breaches that were found. So we can see that we have 9 data breaches, and this will not only show me in which data breach this email address has been found, but this will also reveal some information about Rishi Kabra. For example, we know that he uses this website to listen to music, and we can also know that he has ordered from Big Basket, which is a grocery store in India. So this will tell us that he either lives in India or has visited India. We can also scroll down and see that he has a Domino's India account, and I assume that he has ordered from this restaurant. And if we were able to download this database, then we'll be able to find email addresses, names, phone numbers, physical addresses, and what they have bought. He also has a Gravatar account, GFit account, which is a workout tracking app. So this will tell us that he is working out and he's using this app. And he has an account on Rento Mojo. So we might be able to find some information about him, like his passport numbers, social media profiles, government issued IDs, etc. Now we don't know whether he has rented an apartment or not, but we know that he has an account on this website. And we can see here that he has an account on Tungle. And this is a global LAN gaming network, so we know that he already plays games. We don't know whether he currently plays games, but we know that he had played games because we have seen this on his Twitch channel and on his YouTube channel. Now, if you work with law enforcement, sometimes you don't have to go out there and download the database or data leak, because some websites will give you the person's information once you, as a person who works with law enforcement, ask for this information, because sometimes they are obligated to give you this information if there is any open case. But if you are a private investigator, then you can download the database or data leak if this is not illegal in your country, and then search for this person's information within this database. So in this video, you have learned how you can check whether an email address has been found in a data breach or a data leak. And if it was found in a data breach or a data leak, this means that this person has an account on this website that has been breached, which might tell you about the person's personality, likes and dislikes. And in addition to that, you can go and download the database and search for the person's email address and find any additional information about the person, for example, date of birth, phone number, physical address, etc.